How to show a website in Android and iOS app using WebView Flutter package. In your project pubspec.yaml file, add latest version of WebView Flutter package and get dependencies. Let's go to our homepage .file, create an elevated button to navigate to WebView page. Inside WebView page .file, let's initialize WebView controller object. Before build function, we are using init state and dispose methods to initialize and dispose WebView controller object respectively. In init state method, we are initializing WebView controller using many functions on the same object. As like here, two dots are used for cascade notation. It allows you to chain together multiple method calls on same object without having to create a temporary variable. Set JavaScript mode sets the JS execution mode to be used by the WebView. Set background color sets the background color. Set navigation delegate sets the navigation delegate containing the callback methods that are called during navigation events. Inside it, on page started is called when a page is started. On page finished is called when a page is finished. On page started and on page finished call void function with string parameter, and we are printing this URL inside this function. Like you can see the output in debug console. WebView is loading page started, URL changed, WebView is loading page finished. All these outputs are from navigation delegate events. Then next is on URL change. It is called when current WebView changes to a new URL. Then on progress is called when a page is started, and we are printing progress integer inside this function. On web resource error is called when there is an error loading a web page. On navigation request is called when navigation is requested, and we are setting here if the URL starts with facebook.com, then prevent the navigation, otherwise navigate to that specific page. In the end, there is load request method call, and it makes a specific HTTP request and load the response in the WebView. Remember to dispose the WebView controller, and then inside build function, let's wrap the scaffold with will pop scope widget, and its on will pop property is calling on will pop method. Let's define this method here. It says that if WebView controller can go back, then go back and return false, otherwise return true. Let's open this WebView page and see the output. Also, you can see the output in debug console for printing the navigation events. First of all, let's create an app bar inside scaffold. Body of scaffold is using WebView widget from WebView Flutter package. It has a required named parameter controller, and let's assign it to the WebView controller that we have initialized inside init state method. This body is returning the website which we have defined in the end in the load request method hey flutter.com. Let's use floating action button to load request for a new URL of YouTube. If you click on floating action button, it will navigate to the youtube.com. This is how to show a website or WebView in Android and iOS application using WebView Flutter package. Thank you.